What if the stiffness you feel every morning isn't about getting older, but about how you're moving or not moving every day? I used to think morning stiffness was just a normal part of aging, something we all have to accept. But actually, it mostly comes from not moving enough. When we stay still too long, our muscles and joints get tight and lose their natural flexibility. Experts say that this stiffness and weakness are caused more by sitting too much. The good news, you don't need any fancy equipment or hard workouts to fix it. Just 10 minutes of simple stretches every day can help you feel looser, reduce pain, and even improve your balance. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy stretches anyone can do in the morning that could completely change how your day feels. Stick around. These moves might just be the key to feeling better and more energized every day. Exercise 1. Cat-cow. Wake up your spine. Let's start with the cat-cow stretch, one of the most effective ways to gently wake up your spine and prepare your body for the day ahead. This simple yet powerful movement involves alternating between rounding your back like a cat and arching it like a cow, carefully mobilizing each vertebra from your neck all the way down to your tailbone. This fluid motion not only increases the flow of synovial fluid, the natural lubricant of your spinal joints, helping to prevent stiffness and degeneration, but it also activates the deep muscles along your spine that play a critical role in maintaining good posture and spinal stability. What many people don't realize is that cat-cow is more than just a physical stretch. It has a profound calming effect on your nervous system. The slow, mindful breathing you practice while moving stimulates the vagus nerve, which acts like the body's built-in stress buster, lowering cortisol, the stress hormone, and promoting a state of relaxation throughout your entire body. So, when you do this stretch regularly, you're not just helping your back feel better, you're also giving your mind a chance to reset, bringing calm and focus that can last throughout the day. Exercise 2. Calf stretch. Lighten your legs and boost circulation. Next up is the calf stretch, a surprisingly powerful move for easing that heavy-legged feeling so many older adults experience. Your calves do much more than just help you walk. They act as natural pumps that push blood back up to your heart, supporting healthy circulation throughout your lower body. When these muscles become tight and lose their elasticity from inactivity, it can cause swelling, painful cramps, especially at night, and overall sense of fatigue that makes moving around a struggle. Regularly stretching your calves not only improves ankle flexibility and joint mobility, but also plays a crucial role in preventing falls, a serious concern as we age. The calf stretch helps relieve tension, promotes better blood flow, and reduces pressure on important areas like the Achilles tendon and plantar fascia, which are common sources of heel pain. You can easily do this stretch standing, with one leg extended behind you and the heel pressing into the ground, or while sitting, gently pulling your foot toward you with a towel for a controlled stretch. Hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds on each leg, breathing deeply and never forcing your body beyond comfort. With consistent practice, you'll start to feel your legs become lighter, more energized, and much more stable with each step you take. Exercise 3. Butterfly. Open your hips. Improve balance. If you've noticed discomfort when walking or climbing stairs, the root cause might be stubborn hip stiffness, a common but often overlooked issue. The butterfly stretch directly targets the inner thighs and hip joints, gently opening them up in a way that's both safe and incredibly effective. By sitting with the soles of your feet together and letting your knees fall outward, this posture stretches not only the visible muscles but also deep connective tissues like tendons, ligaments, and fascia that tend to tighten after long hours of sitting or inactivity. Research has shown that maintaining hip flexibility is absolutely vital for preventing falls, reducing chronic lower back pain, and supporting better overall balance and posture. These hips act as your body's central mobility hub. When they're tight, your whole body feels the impact. The great news is this stretch is highly adaptable. You can place cushions under your knees to reduce pressure or lean your back against a wall for extra support, making it accessible even if you have joint pain or limited mobility. Just dedicating 2 minutes each day to this stretch can make your body feel lighter, more stable, and more in control, helping you move with confidence and ease through every part of your day. Exercise 4. Child's Pose. Calm your body and mind. Now, let's talk about the Child's Pose, a gentle stretch that's as relaxing as it is beneficial for your body and mind. This yoga-inspired posture works wonders by releasing built-up tension in your lower back, hips, and shoulders, areas that often carry stress from poor posture, long hours sitting, or a sedentary lifestyle. What truly sets a Child's Pose apart is its calming effect on your nervous system. By activating the parasympathetic nervous system, it slows your heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and reduces stress hormones like cortisol. Holding this pose while taking slow, deep breaths stimulates the vagus nerve, which plays a critical role in reducing anxiety, calming your mind, and even improving sleep quality. Biomechanically, it gently elongates the muscles around your spine and hips without any strain, making it ideal even for those with joint pain or physical limitations. You can easily customize this stretch by placing blankets under your ankles or cushions between your thighs and abdomen to ensure maximum comfort. Whether you use it to wrap up your morning routine or as a soothing way to wind down before bed, a Child's Pose offers a deeply restorative experience that leaves your body feeling refreshed and your mind clear. Exercise 5. Supine Twist. Release back tension and boost digestion. Finally, the supine twist is a simple yet incredibly therapeutic stretch that works wonders for your lower back and overall well-being. By lying flat on your back and gently guiding one knee across your body, this movement helps decompress the spine, easing pressure between the vertebrae, especially in the lower lumbar region, where stiffness and discomfort often build up from prolonged sitting or poor posture. This gentle spinal rotation not only relieves tension, but also promotes healthy hydration, which is crucial for maintaining spinal flexibility and preventing degenerative changes. Beyond the physical benefits, the supine twist actively stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system, encouraging deep relaxation, lowering cortisol levels, and reducing the stress that often accumulates in the body. Another lesser-known advantage is its positive impact on digestion by activating nerves in the abdominal region. It helps improve digestive function, which can slow down with age or inactivity. This stretch also strengthens key stabilizing muscles like the internal and external obliques and transverse abdominis, enhancing the coordination between your trunk and pelvis. This is vital for maintaining upright posture, steady gait, and preventing falls, which become more common as we age. If you experience any discomfort during the twist, simply support your leg with a cushion or limit the range of motion to what feels comfortable. Starting with 30 seconds per side and gradually working up to a minute allows your body to adapt safely. With consistent daily practice, the supine twist becomes a natural and soothing way to restore your body's balance, improve mobility, and bring back the vitality you may have thought was lost. How to use this routine for best results. Putting it all together, this routine only takes about 10 minutes, making it the perfect way to start your day right after waking up when your body feels stiff, or to wind down before bed and gently release built-up tension. Begin with the cat-cow stretch for 1 minute to awaken your spine and boost circulation. Then move into the butterfly stretch for another minute to open up your hips and improve balance. Follow that with the supine twist, spending 1 minute on each side to decompress your lower back and encourage relaxation. Next, target your calves for 30 seconds per leg, helping circulation and reducing that heavy-legged feeling. Finally, settle into the calming Child's Pose for a full minute to soothe your nervous system and prepare your body for rest. If you find yourself with extra time or energy, feel free to repeat the sequence or hold each stretch a bit longer to deepen the benefits. Remember, the real secret isn't in the length of each stretch, but in the consistency of your practice. Many people report noticeable improvements in pain relief, flexibility, and joint health within just a few weeks, along with enhanced balance and reduced risk of falls. Beyond the physical gains, this simple daily habit fosters a stronger connection with your body, boosts your confidence in movement, and supports greater independence, helping you live life with more freedom, energy, and peace of mind. The bigger picture, more than just stretching. This isn't just about stretching, it's about reclaiming your life and restoring your independence. Regular movement sharpens your balance and heightens your body awareness, slashing your risk of falls by over 30%, according to solid research. But the benefits don't stop there. Consistent stretching helps regulate your nervous system, easing anxiety, lowering stress hormones, and paving the way for deeper, more restful sleep. That means waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to face the day. Beyond the physical and mental perks, these gentle daily habits build confidence, making everyday activities feel easier and more enjoyable, whether it's playing with grandkids, gardening, or simply walking comfortably. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment or complicated routines. Just a few minutes of mindful stretching each day can transform how you move, feel, and live, from the moment you rise to the time you rest. It's a simple, powerful step toward a healthier, happier you. Now I really want to hear from you. Which of these stretches do you feel will make the biggest difference for you? Have you tried any of them before? Or is today the day you're finally going to start? Drop your thoughts, experiences, or even questions in the comments below. You never know how your story might encourage someone else who's struggling with the same issues. If this routine has helped you or you believe it can, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any new tips designed to help you move easier and live better. And please, share this video with your parents, grandparents, or friends, anyone you care about who deserves to feel stronger, lighter, and more confident every single day. Remember, no matter your age or how long you've been feeling stuck, your body still has incredible potential. You just need to give it the chance to shine by moving regularly. Thanks so much for watching and being part of this community. I'm excited to see you in the next video, where we'll keep exploring simple ways to help you live your best, healthiest life. I truly appreciate you spending this time with me. Take care of yourself, keep moving, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.